This was a close call caught on camera in Brooklyn that will take your breath away. Video here showing 3 family members walking on a sidewalk in Bensonhurst Saturday. Seconds later, you see there them running out of the way as a large tree just toppled right behind them, barely missing them. We did reach out to the city's Parks Department about the tree, and they tell us the tree was on private property and not under its jurisdiction. That was scary. Oof. Let's get a look at our forecast because there's some wind coming our way that may cause some issues with some trees in the area as well, Tony.
Yeah, that's a concern, Christine. See how that tree just kind of disintegrated? And that's really what we got to watch out for. These unhealthy trees, and you pack along these winds, could create a problem. Of course, after all of the rain we had yesterday, we welcome the rain. Some areas, 1.5 to 2 plus, our biggest rainfall since mid-August. But the issue now is the same system is agitated the winds, and they're going to be gusting. Sustained 20 to 30, but it's the short burst of winds, 40 to 50, that'll create a problem. I expect the winds to be strongest the morning hours tomorrow, and then they will gradually subside during the day. But on that morning commute, make sure you've got both hands on the steering wheel and you're careful, especially going over bridges and overpasses. Now, those same northwesterly winds are responsible for this. Big time change in the numbers. Feels like a brand new air mass is moving in. Numbers 20 degrees colder than this time yesterday. And you're familiar with, look at this shot, shaking, this camera shaking out there in Midtown. Cold overnight. We got very windy conditions. All sets us up for a decent weekend. But here is your situation in the morning tomorrow. Remember, those temperatures are dropping. We're falling into the 30s and 20s. But now the wind is a pest. Okay, so you're layered up. We got wind chills. Tomorrow, teens, 20s. John Elliott will have the latest numbers in the morning, but you get the idea. Definitely a winter feel first thing out the door. But then a nice recovery in the afternoon. Got sunshine. Could we make a run at 50 degrees? Actually, for early March, it's a good feeling day tomorrow. And it's going to be dry, too. One system going by, that's the low, but still hanging out enough to funnel some powerful winds. This is the next system we're watching on deck moving into the Midwest. Not really a concern for us. No rain gear tomorrow. Sunglasses, yeah, how about that? But then late tomorrow, clouds fill in fast. Not a lot of fanfare with this, not a lot of moisture. But don't be surprised if you're hanging out late Friday night, early Saturday, you see a flake or a raindrop or two. It's really moving through fast, so don't anticipate any accumulations. And by Saturday morning, it's long gone. So weekend plans are going to be in good shape. Sunshine both days. Winds not as problematic. And if you are going to be outside, of course, just be mindful of the change. So it is going to be a cooler weekend. Just not quite as cold as it was last weekend. Don't forget, we spring forward this Saturday night. We turn those clocks ahead 1 hour, which means the sun sets Saturday 5:55, but Sunday it is close to 7 o'clock. There's your First Alert 7-day forecast. So again, we've issued that first alert for the wind impacts for tomorrow. Careful out there. And then after the dip in temperatures, Christine, no major chill. Numbers back in the 60s, and of course, I know these weekends already feel super short, but daylight savings, it's our shortest weekend of the year.
I know. We're all going to be feeling that come Monday.
Yeah,
Thank you, Tony.